Level up your PowerPoint using this trick. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, at the top, click on Insert. After you click on Insert, click on Picture. And then insert the picture you want to add. After you've inserted the picture, resize the picture as your sheet. Then click on Shapes at the top. After you click on Shapes, you'll find different shapes in here. Simply scroll down and search for parallelogram. After you have clicked on it, add shape in your page and resize it as shown on screen. Click on Shape Format and go to Shape Outline and press on No Outline. Then click on Shape Fill and choose the color white. After you've choose the color white, you'll find this kind of screen. Now click on Text Box on the top left. Add text box and type in the letter you want to add. And simply type in sunrise. After the letter is added, press on Ctrl+A to select everything. After you've selected everything, go to Shape Format and click on Merge Shapes. In here, simply click on Combine, which is the second option. After that, you're good to go. You can click on the picture format at the top and click on Picture Effects at the top. Then, in here, click on Shadow. In Shadow, click on Center. After you have done that, you will find this kind of screen and you're good to go. This is how to level up your PowerPoint using this trick. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.